I'm Cecil Davis, Program Coordinator of the HVAC Department here at the Business and Technology Campus, and I'll help jumpstart your career. You'll learn all things HVAC. You'll learn how to service, maintain, you'll learn how to install heating and air conditioning equipment, especially as it applies to the residential market. You'll learn how to deal with customers. A lot of people don't think about that in this program, but that's a big part of what we do. We have great instructors. All of our instructors have either worked in the field, owned businesses, or currently own those types of businesses. So very well versed in what's required in an employee. We have a state-of-the-art shop. We do obviously class time, but a lot of hands-on. And so we encompass all types of learners. There's a lot of different places that students can work. Facilities like Cerner, St. Luke, Children's Mercy. You can also work with service contractors, AB May, Anthony Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Rudroff, those types of service-size companies.
My name is Gamaliel Felix. I am an operating engineer at Centerpoint Medical Center. I jump-started my career at MCC-Business and Technology. I love the hands-on lab and just working with my hands and the equipment. It gave me the confidence I needed and the skills to go out for big jobs. Join me at MCC Business and Technology. It's more than a great fit.